morning and welcome to No Second Season. So from my house I can see some hills here. They run all the way along to a big hill. It doesn't look big at all on here, but here I've been to the top of that. I haven't ridden these hills and you can't get to them down this way. So I'm going to try and find a way onto them today. I've made a bit of a schoolgirl error. I've lost the visor to my open face helmet. There's an incredible amount of water flowing in what once were dry creeks. It's the gun club here, pistol club. So I've got to this gate, but it's padlocked. So I'm turning back and I'll just go and see what I can find around here. I've just climbed up quite a hill on this road. Really pleased with that. I haven't pushed yet, but I might have to up the next hill. I'm still pedalling. This is now going into the Greater Hume Shire, Wiradjuri country, the ancestral home of that native tribe. I think I might turn left here, go onto Hamilton Hill. I can push up the massive climb if I can't ride it and do that loop home. Just starting the climb up to Hamilton Hill. It's so frustrating being able to see the hills over there but not be able to get onto them. Oh. Some beautiful meadows here, lovely lush and green. It's really pretty. Now I'd like to ride down it, but I've actually passed 3 hikers now. It's getting a bit steep now, so I'm gonna take my pedal off. It's a steep old climb. This is Hamilton Hill, the top of Hamilton Hill. It's a beautiful spot. I need to quickly eat my sandwiches before the mozzies realise I'm here. Just come from that way, just stopped here. There's a pretty little seasonal stream running going through this woodland, this bush. Oh, can't go up there. So this brings you out to Central Road, Nail Can car park. I'm curious as to what has made these double tyre tracks down here. What would make those? Let me know in the comments what you think, because I don't know. I've got to the top, to the ridge trail. Question is, with no protection on at all, should I ride a trail? Right, a leisurely ride on lightning strikes. I don't know what these are. They look like horse poo, but they're actually something growing. I've no idea what they are. I don't think it's growing poo. Anyone got any ideas? Let me know in the comments. I've had a look at the lookout. No wildlife to see. I'm going to have a little run down the tiny jumps trail, and I'm going to go straight home and not go on the crazy trail that I fell on before. I haven't got any kit on. Now, I usually go down that trail, but I'm not going to because it's dangerous. Ooh, having said that, it's a bit gnarly down here. Whoa. So now it's just a little gravel ride and a road ride home. Here we are.
The cha-cha-cha.
Back home. Phew. But that's the end of my ride today. I didn't get up onto the hills behind my house, but I will do one day. So I'll close this video here, and until next time, bye for now.
Le cha-cha-cha d'origine.